Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen, and today I am going to show you guys how to do the imploding can experiment. Now, before we go any further, what I want you to do is go and grab a parent or a guardian to come and watch this video with you, because parental guidance is a must for this experiment. Okay, go do that now. Okay, so what you are going to need for this experiment is, of course, a can. Just any old can, doesn't have to be Coke. And what I've done is I've taken the tab thing off of this can. You will also need a funnel. You'll need some tongs. You will need some hot water, and so I've just boiled some water from the kettle. You'll only need a little bit. And you will need a large bowl like this with really cold water in it. So what I did was I filled up the bowl and then I put it in the fridge just for a few hours, and then I put some ice in there too to ensure that it's nice and cold. So what you're going to want to do, the very first thing, is you'll take your can and you're going to put in about 2 tablespoons of this hot water. So I've just got like an actual measuring spoon thing, but you can just use like a normal tablespoon. I'm going to put 2 in with the funnel. 1. 2. Okay, so now the next step is to heat this can up on your stove, which is why you need parental guidance. And please make sure you tie back your lovely long hair. So I'm going to do that now. Now, because I don't want to destroy my stove, and I don't want you to destroy your stove either, I'm using a pot. And so I'm going to put my can in the pot and then heat it up that way. I'm probably just going to cut to when it is actually boiled. So I have been heating up this can for about 2 to 3 to 4 minutes. I've got it on quite a high heat, and I think it is ready. You will know that it's ready when some water vapor or steam starts to come out of the hole, and also you'll just notice that that water is definitely boiling because it kind of makes like a ticking sound inside the can. So what you need is your tongs. Really, really important. Do not touch that hot metal because it is very hot. And what you want to do is you're going to grab your can with these tongs. Okay, so here is our really hot can, and if we just turn it upside down, there we go. Imploded can.
So now you guys have everything you need to do this experiment at home yourself, but please remember that parental guidance is a must. Now just a little bit of science behind this experiment. By heating up our can, we boiled the water inside it, and this process of boiling turns the liquid water into steam, whereby these steam particles have got a lot more energy than when they were in their liquid form. And boiling also forces any molecules of air that were in the can out of the can. When we put the can in the cold water, we suddenly cooled it. That cooling caused the water vapor particles in the can to condense, creating a partial vacuum. Because of that, the pressure outside of the can in the air became much greater than the pressure inside the can, and thus that pressure difference crushes the can. Okay guys, have fun doing this at home.